That's the thing about
I was at your house.
yeah. I saw it on there. Yeah, before
I knew. Greta is having a Christmas program today. In about 30 minutes, we're gonna watch her. She doesn't really like performing in front of people, but she's also bummed that she doesn't have her own part. So I'm sure it'll be sweet. It is Christmas Eve. About a few hours ago, this house really looked. Now it is broken in by tons of family, but this is what we've been working so hard for, so we're just enjoying it. Hey, jingity jing. So big. Wait, why are your face so big? Why are your face so big? Try them on! Go try them on!
What do you mean? You'll throw into them?
Hey! My pants are falling down.
Yeah.
Hi, say Christmas Eve! I'll get the egg. Merry Christmas!
What are those for?
These are for Christmas. Good job. Oh, what? Hey, wait, Greta. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Santa wrapped this. That's the first time.
Is that safe too?
Minnie Mouse toothpaste. What does it do? Minnie Mouse toothbrush and Minnie Mouse toothpaste. Just how she was.
That's what she wanted. We're not lame parents. That's just what she asked for. Was a toothbrush and Minnie Mouse toothpaste. She's very practical. I'm out of control.
So now we're hosting my family. I have 4 sisters, a bunch of nephews, nieces. We're just having a fun day at the cabin.